Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best impact wrenches that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Impact Wrench. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and efficient impact wrench that you will find great for your activities. The cordless unit delivers a high torque of 700 feet/lbs and up to 1,200 feet per pound for the maximum breakaway torque. This implies that it is a reliable wrench that you can rely on for top-notch services. Apart from this, the unit is fitted with a superior LED light that offers excellent illumination when working. It also has 3/4 inches hog ring that has a retention pin anvil system for enhanced performances. Additionally, it is a battery-operated unit that you can easily use when indoors and outdoors. What is more, the wrench has been built using forged premium quality material, making it great for long-term use. The lightweight design of the impact wrench means that you can comfortably hold it for long when working. It has a non-slip soft grip handle so that you easily hold it when working. Moving on at number 4, we have Bosch Cordless Impact Wrench. Run by a powerful brushless motor, the impact wrench is a selection that will handle most tasks and delivers a great speed. It offers up to 2x motor life, making it fit for long-term use. What is more, it is a cordless wrench that comes with a 2.0 Ah battery to provide longer runtime. Due to this, it is a favorite selection that suits outdoor uses. Also, the impact wrench has a handy carrying bag to allow for both portability and storage of the wrench. It has a cell protection system, making it safe against overloading and overheating, thus a pick that will suit you best. At number 3, we have Avid Power 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. Avid Power 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is a cost-effective unit that you will find favorite for your needs. Despite the affordable cost, it is a product that will serve longer thanks to the rugged superior build. Second to this, it is powerful and has a great motor that provides up to 2,213 inches lbs maximum torque and a maximum speed of 2200 rpm. It is a cordless unit that is powered by a 1.5 Ah battery that gives a longer runtime, thus a pick that will suit you best. The unit comes in a handy carrying case for portability and storage. At number 2, we have Milwaukee 1/2 inches Impact Wrench. Due to the rugged superior build, this is a highly durable impact wrench that you can use for years. The quality wrench has an ergonomic design and a comfy handle, which means that it is comfy to hold when working. Other than this, it has a powerful brushless motor, which gives up to 1,100 feet per pound nut bursting torque. You can, therefore, use the product for handling all kinds of tasks. The unit also has 2 fastening modes to choose what will suit your operations. The cordless impact wrench has a high-capacity 4.0 Ah battery that gives a longer runtime. This makes it a special unit that you can use for both indoor and outdoor activities. And finally at number 1, AC Delco Heavy Duty Twin Impact Wrench. This is a versatile 2-in-1 tool you can use of handling a wide range of activities. The unit has a heavy-duty hard-hitting hammer system with up to 500 feet lbs torque. Apart from this, it also allows for elementary tightening and loosening of lug nuts. It is a user-friendly unit that is simpler to use, and with the sleek ergonomic design coupled with the lightweight design, you can hold it longer when working. Other than this, it has a long nose for easy use in hard-to-reach places. Lastly, it has a rugged aluminum housing for increased longevity and protection. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.